Legends of Learning presents the Circuit Construction Kit DC Lab FET Simulation. This is a science FET simulation that makes learning about advanced simulations physical science fun and easy to understand. In the simulation, you will build circuits with batteries, resistors, light bulbs, and switches. Experiment with high voltage batteries and high resistance resistors and light bulbs. Take measurements with ammeters and a voltmeter. Explore the effects of wire resistance and control the battery's internal resistance. View the circuit as a schematic diagram or switch to a lifelike view. You will use your mouse to select different settings on the simulation. You can drag and drop different items to help you build different circuits using different objects. Click the arrow scroll button to see all the different objects you can use to build a circuit. Drag and drop the voltmeter and ammeters to further measure voltage and current in your circuit. You can reset every simulation and try many different combinations to help you learn more about science. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Have fun and enjoy playing the science simulation.